Yes, good morning, good day, good evening, good night, guys. My name is still Siphesihle Musawenkosi Mpembe. I am back, guys, on your favorite channel where I teach basic English language concepts in isolation. Did you get that? That's one correctly? Yes, it's basic English language concepts in isolation. Exactly, guys. This is what this channel is all about. So before I move on, guys, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, you hit the notification button, you share this channel, you like this channel, and of course, guys, you comment on the below comment section, guys, so that I can hear from you what exactly you think about the things that I am sharing with you on this channel. So, guys, before I start today's lesson, I just want to share a few things with you. Like, guys, number one, I still believe that education is one of the keys to success, even though it is not the only key, but it is still one of the important keys one need to have, because you need to have information. So for you to have information, you need to be educated. So being educated does not necessarily mean that you have to know big words and whatsoever, but to have information, because for you to move forward, you must have an information of whatsoever that you are coming across. So like the Bible says that because of the lack of knowledge, people are perishing. In other words, people are going astray. People do not have the good direction because they do not have information. So guys, without wasting of any time, let us get down to today's lesson. So guys, before we start today's lesson we are going to speak about one of the parts of speech we spoke about last time. So last time we said the part of speech are the words. So if you see a sentence, right? A sentence is made up of words, and each and every word in a sentence is representing a part of speech, right? And I gave you parts of speech. I mentioned all of them, right? So today I am picking one of the parts of speech, which I believe on the next video I will be speaking about the next part of speech. So today we are talking about a noun. So getting straight to a noun. What is a noun, right? So please make sure that you listen to my definitions very carefully, because they are just as simple as everyone at home can hear, whether you are young, old, whether you are poor or rich, black or white, everyone can be able to understand these definitions of mine. So a noun is a naming word. A noun is a name of a thing. A noun is a name in which a particular thing is called. A noun is a name that is given to a thing. So anything that you see in this world, anything that you do not see, anything that you think of, anything that you feel of, that thing has got a name. And the name that is given to that thing is called a noun. Hey guys, do you get me what I'm trying to say? I'm saying when you look around yourself and you see different things, right? You see a cupboard, you see a car, you see a cat, you see a dog, you see a ball, you see whatsoever, you see a mountain, you see Mr. Kumalo, you see whosoever that you are seeing, right? Whosoever that you are seeing, whatsoever that you are seeing is called a noun. A name that is given to that thing is called a noun. Are we still together, guys? If you are still together, make sure that you hit that like button, guys. If I'm making sense to you, make sure that you hit that like button, because it's still gonna be very late. So guys, we've got different types of nouns, but before we go to different types of nouns, let us just look at this sentence of mine, this favorite sentence of mine, right? The boy kicks the ball. The boy kicks the ball, right? So in this sentence is made up of parts of speech, as I've said, right? So among these parts of speech, there are names of things here, right? We've got this name of a thing, which is the boy, and we've got another name of a thing, which is a ball. So these two names are representing certain things, are representing people, are representing objects, right? So these words, these names that are given to these things, they are called nouns. What are these words? So a question may come and say, identify a noun in this sentence, right? So the noun that you are going to identify is this one, which is a boy, or this one, which is a ball. So these two words are given to these two things, and they are called nouns. That's the lesson today, guys, right? So before I wrap up, I'll just give you different types of nouns, even though I'm not going to explain them, right? Maybe I'll explain them on the next video or in the near future, right? But I'll just list and give you the list of the nouns which you may come across. So you can go to your Google, you can go to wherever search that you can go to your dictionary, you'll find these types of nouns and you'll be given a definition and examples of them. So the first noun, you've got a pen and a paper, please write down. We've got a proper noun. The second one is a common noun. The third one is a collective noun. The fourth one is a possessive noun. The fifth one is an abstract noun. The sixth one is a compound noun. And the last one is a concrete noun. Are we still together, guys? So we've got a proper noun, common noun, collective noun, possessive noun, abstract noun, compound noun, and the last one is a concrete noun. So there are lots of them. So I've just mentioned these 7, of which I believe that in the next video I'll be able to share and speak about them. So thank you very much, guys, for staying tuned in this video. I think you have enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, you share it, and you tell your kids to come and watch this one. And I strongly believe that it's going to help develop the basic, the foundational part of English. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video where I will be talking about a verb. Thank you very much. Goodbye.